Sanjai Kumar, CMD of RailTel, is now joining us to talk more about numbers. Firstly, Mr. Kumar, to start with, you have surpassed your FY24 growth guidance by a big margin. So, congrats on that. Tell us what targets have you set for the company for the full year FY25 and what is the kind of revenue growth which you're expecting? Also, talk to us about your margins, which could be in FY25.
Yeah, so thank you for your compliments. We have overall, we talk of annual performance. We are satisfied with the performance. We have grown by 31%. And if we talk of next year, this current year, 24-25, so we hope that we will continue with the same growth guidance in terms of revenue. Will be around 30% numbers. EBITDA margin, we are expecting the same EBITDA which we achieved last year of 18%. We will continue to have this year as well.
Sure, Mr. Kumar, but what's the current order book and what kind of inflows you envisage for FY25?
So current order book, if we talk of this year, right now we have around 4,700 crores order book, and we expect to have around 4,000 crores new orders, of course, to be delivered in next 4 to 5 years. So that is what we are expecting. We will do everything to get good orders.
Sure, for the third consecutive quarter, the telecom business EBIT has been above the 20% mark. So what led to that? And going forward for the telecom segment, can it sustain above the 20% mark? That's first part of my question. And the second part is on the Indian Railways, which is looking to deploy LTE. What's been the progress so far? What kind of orders have come your way?
Yes, I believe so. So if we talk of LTE, yes, POC preparations are on. And so because we are dependent on many factors for POC, we are already progressing in that. I can't say right now that any significant progress is there, but certainly whenever it is there, we will share with you. Regarding LTE tenders, so there are already 2 tenders published by the railways, roughly around 1,800 crore value. 2 tenders are already out. One is 800 plus and the other is 900 plus crores. And we are working to participate in these tenders, and we hopeful that we should get these orders, or maybe at least one. That depends on competition and the other factors. And if we talk of the associated product, which is Kavach, so you might have seen that we have already signed an MOU with an OEM. I think it was expected. This question was asked many times earlier also. Now we have come out with our partner. We have signed an MOU, and we are sure that we will do in Kavach segment also.
So a little bit follow up on that Kavach segment. Anytime soon, are you expecting orders to pick up or start picking up from here on?
See, tenders have not yet come out, but we are expecting that next 2 to 3 months, tenders should be out by railways, and we will participate in those tenders.
Okay, so the orders will come out, but what's the size of the orders that you think it can come your way? What kind of order opportunity do you envisage for Kavach?
See, Kavach segment order opportunity is, we are expecting that roughly 3 to 4,000 overall over next 4 to 5 years we should get. But along with, if we talk of LTE and Kavach put together, this is an opportunity of total 35,000 crore.
Right.
And we expect 5 to 6,000 crore out of that kitty, Kavach and LTE put together.
Okay, fair point. Talk to us about how have been the performance this time of RailWire, and how is your subscriber base improving there? What is the ARPU? Where do you see your subscriber base head in the next 1 to 2 years as far as RailWire is concerned?
Railwire, when we talk of growth, so Railwire is very tough market. We have been seeing a lot of churn, lot of new customers adding to us. So overall, when we see, we are close to quarter to six, means 5.75 lakhs or so right now, and margins, because of pressures, because different bundled offerings, margins have also come down. Uh, and ARPU is right now, I think, around 510 rupees or so. Uh, so this sector is going to be like tough even future years, but we are continuously innovating new tariff options, new offerings, and recently we have signed an MOU. It is actually a subsidy-based model. We have received from state of government of Gujarat, where we are required to provide 1 lakh subscribers in next 1 year. So we are hopeful that we should get a good number of addition during this year.
Sure, and Mr. Kumar, before I let you go, the telecom segment growth was a bit sluggish this quarter. When do you expect a recovery? What should be a realistic expectation for the coming year?
Yes. So telecom growth, again, because of competition, falling tariffs, demands are there, but tariffs are also falling down. Be it actually telecom revenue also includes your rail wire revenue as well, and other NLD point-to-point circuits, MPLS circuits. So there is pressure on that. Though when we talk of volumes in terms of capacities, we are growing. But this year, we have already planned some strategies, and we are hopeful that we should at least get this growth number in double digit. 10% we are trying to get this year, 10+%.
Okay, sir, on that note, we let you go. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.